So this is a video for CIS 61 for Jeff Hendrickson's class for fall of 2021. This is programming assignment temperature averages from, it's a different one. It's not in the programming challenges. It's just called temperature averages. So you include your input-output manipulation, you include your studio.h, your C math for doing the averages. Always include your C string in your input-output stream. So what we did, or what I did, I should say, because I wrote this like 2 years ago. You make an array. Here is the temperature. We're going to compare two temperatures here. So we got it's a two-dimensional array. Or, I don't know, maybe it's different than that. So we got our int day, so it's initialized to 1. Total high here, total low, double sum. So this will automatically convert it with a decimal point. It's double average. So this is the for loop for int I equals 1, 2, I is less than or equal to 7, and then add 1 to I. So C out, C clear. So I had this in originally to clear out anything that was put in there. So enter the day of the week, day, inline. Just get your variable from the user here. And then you put the variable in for your C in your temp, enter the low temperature. And you get the low temperature from the user. Total low is, so you add the temp plus the day to the total low. The sum equals sum plus temp of the day plus your integer, whatever day value you have. And you average is the sum, which is here, divided by 7 days. So you enter the high temperature, the whole degrees. And you get the high temperature from the user. You get the total high here. And you get to put that in the sum again. You divide it, you get your average. This is where you're changing your variable. Then C out fixed, set precision to 1 decimal place, I think is what I did. Total average temperature is, and then you put your total high divided by 7 and your total low divided by 7. And it prints out, and that's you return, and you exit the program here. So to run this, the day of the week, let's say first day of the week, total low temperature, we'll say it's 32. Enter high temperature, we'll say it's 78. Day of the week's 2. Low temperature would, let's say it's 40. High temperature was 87 that day. 3. Low temperature, or is it low? Low temperature, let's say is, what did they say, 40? It's 45. High temperature, let's say is 9 degrees. And that was, we'll do day 4 now. Low temperature, let's say it was 42. High temperature, let's say it went up to 92 degrees. Day 5, low temperature, let's say it got cold again, but it got really hot. Let's say it was 95 degrees. And day 6, we'll say the low temperature was 68 degrees. Whoops. And the low temperature, oh, whoops. Low temperature was 68, and the high temperature would be day 7, 32, and it printed it out there, so that works correctly. It jumped out of there really quickly. There it is right there. and our high temperature lows 46.1. Cool. So that works correctly. So anyway, that's programming challenge temperature averages for Jeff Hendrickson CIS 61 class. Thanks for watching.